Yeah, why do I look so bright? I look like I have the beauty filter on again. Now it is March. I still do the January, February, March 17th, Tuesday. It's a good day. Woke up. I need to get to the dining hall earlier so then I can get back to have more time. Because right now I'm getting back 9:20 ish, which gives me 10 minutes to look at the chart, get ready. Whereas if I get back at like 9:15 or 9:10, that gives me a bunch of time, get set up, and then get stuff ready to go to practice. So then I don't have to dip as fast. But yeah, pretty good day. No trades, unfortunately. Um, I had an idea, but then I was literally leaving as I didn't see confirmation yet. So I'm hoping it ended up playing out, but I'm not gonna enter and leave. So if I don't see confirmation, but I think I'm gonna okay, start off 15-minute. So I'm like, kind of just doing what we did yesterday, push down. Okay, we're pushing up. We're near a previous day high. Like, I want us to take it, but I'm like, what do I need for us to hold? Like, okay, that's where I kind of get tripped up in this. Oh wait, there was a devil's mark on this, so that open. Yeah, okay, maybe it did come back to that, but kind of just like, okay, what do I need to see hold? Like, oh, I need to see this hold down here, but it doesn't have to come back down here. It can just go. So trying to find a trade in that, I'm like, well, this is kind of sketchy for me, but we're closer to the high. I think we want the high or that high, and then to sell off to take internal to then either push it back up or push it back down. I'm like, if we take previous day high, I'll wait to see get a retracement. If we just blast right through it, there are more targets higher. I really want to see us put in Manny at previous day high so I can actually take a trade today because I'm like, we're so close. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. We're really extended. I'm like, okay, balance price range here, EQ a little bit up here. I'm like, okay, I don't want to see too big of a sell off, but I could see that to push it higher to finally take the high. But I'm like, okay, we just been up. These equal lows down here. Market open soon. I'm like, I was really hoping that that wouldn't run up and take the high. Market open, sells off. Candle pushes up. And I'm like, okay, this looks like picture perfect for shorts right here. Boom, kind of chopped down, up. We have the liquidity sweep, previous day high. We have this is manipulation right here. We souped up here. Alrighty. Give me some sell down, up, and then back down. Give me an entry to take lows. Okay. Liking that. I just need to see some nope. Took high again. Close there. And so I'm like, okay, if this truly is the high, we're not going to take this and we're just going to sell off. Right. So if we're trying to catch the high, that wouldn't have been bad to try and catch. But then we just pushed it back up again. And I'm like, okay, this still looks like manipulation, right? Boom. Stop the people going there. Stopped out these people. Now need to see us, kind of close down. So we want kind of pushed up, pushed down, close below. So we shouldn't take that high. Okay, we're closing in these gaps. And that's the biggest thing because I mean we haven't closed in any of the fair value gaps since down here. Right. And that's not even inversing it. And so we haven't showed any bearish action until that candle. Right. Boom, smaller, pushing up, and I'm like, okay, this high has to hold for me to continue to take shorts. Boom. This next candle rips through it. Yep, and I'm like, there's no total soup here. That's not a fair value gap. I can't take that. That would be insane to catch from up here from where I think it might go. That's good RR too. 'Cause how many points is this? 20 point stop. Yeah, 20 to at least super low hanging fruit there. Like that's not bad. I like these lows too. I like that. That's not bad. But then I saw this. I literally hopped off like right here. And I'm like, I swear to God, if this is top and I'm leaving right now without a trade, like mm. And the thing is, I'm not going to hop on my phone and try and take a trade. No, no, no. I trade when I'm at my desk, when everything's really clear. And then that way I don't have any issues with, you know, limits, entering the right amount of contracts and stuff like that. And so boom. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. It's perfect. Discount, failure swing. Or why did I put failure swing again? CISD. Bingo. Eyeballs. Right there. Now let's make all this non-synced. Bingo. I just leave it there. And so right there, where am I looking for? Honestly, I'd love a rebalance of this, but I'm like, what do I need to see down here? I mean, if I'm thinking, right, if I'm entered here, my stop is what? No, that's turtle soup. Honestly, if we can get through this, I like us to melt. But I mean, we got a long ways to go to get down. But I think 2.8, like this is a big RR trade. You could take some off, like if you think like these lows probably want to be maybe partial and then leave runners, but who knows? That another soup CISD? That is another soup CISD. Oh, perfect set. Oh, huh. Okay, so we never. What did ES take? Oh, ES took market open. Yeah, 1017. Okay, that would have my target. Yeah, where's 1017? That would have been. Uh, that would have been the sign to. I think once this next candle printed to hop out. Because I'd love to target market open, but since ES was the one that did it, damn, that looks clean. That looks. Oh, this looks really clean on ES actually. Because then you can argue that that's your turtle soup changing the state up here, and that's where, yeah. But I mean, that's what I was aiming for. Was that so? I mean, I would have taken profit somewhere in here, obviously. Maybe there and then let runners leave. But definitely that's another thing when we're like really extended, we're really bullish like this, just to retrace, uh, to then possibly put in more manipulation. What's been going on since? Did we actually finish selling it off? There we okay, we did eventually sell it off. So I guess really if you entered here, oh wait. Oh no, your stop would have been fine. Your stop would have been fine. That's hilarious. So that probably would have been that would have been the funniest trade. 1139, yeah. So if I entered here, let my stop loss and take profit, I my stop loss would have been would have been down here, or my take profit would have been down there. Stop loss would have been there, and I would have practiced. And then right when I was walking in the weight room, that's when I'd probably check again and I'd see that it finally hit full profit. But this makes sense. This is a failure swing of that. Granted, it doesn't look the nicest, but looking on like the 15-minute, actually probably 5 minute looks clean. 5 minute looks clean where okay, boom, push down, okay, pull back up. Holding this, once you get closure below that, honestly up here, then it's you're free to sell off the rest of the way. So honestly, damn, that's really clean. If you it's really clean if you turn on the fucking if you turn on this, right? Up, down, lower, low. Not so clean. What is the I'm always oh, could I do the oh darn it. But okay, so where we kept selling off or do we push back up? That doesn't look like manipulation. That could be manipulation. Hmm. We took the low. We took the low again. We closed above, pushed back, change in the state, sent us higher. Some janky action, some pretty janky action. But I mean, just to get a rebalance of honestly, rebalance of this whole thing. Yes, like up here, maybe targeting that. Is that where we currently are? That's where we're currently. Okay, so it's kind of choppy, but that makes sense too. Where low, swept the low, up, closed, and then ran it up. So, I mean, if you can find a quicker entry in here, if you anticipate this being uh, a change of the state, then I mean, yeah. But I'm obviously super dumb clear was this was selling in here, and then either taking it off once the SMT was put in, or did the yeah, when did the SMT get confirmed? Because when you change in the other way, so probably ugh. Or just moving south to break, you would have got broke even on this, but it's like, do I really care? No, no, I don't really care. But I'm just mad that I missed a good trade, right? Because if I, didn't have practice, wasn't here, I would be able to take that trade. I'd be able to take like yesterday's trade and stuff like that, but I can't. And so that's where it's like you see the calendar with the P&L obviously, but with like no trades. And this is part of it. Now in my journey, it's it's because I can't. I'm not on the charts, right? I'm at practice. And so that's where it's like I'm doing as much as I can, controlling what I can control. Okay, understanding the market, staying out of things, not FOMOing, trying to find trades since, I'm not getting a lot of trades. But then once like that door is opened up, either through it being summer or just not being in school. Like the floodgates are open, the dominoes are falling. Like I think it's going to snowball effect once I'm able to be on every day until 11. That's my main goal is till 11, right? Yeah. Take trades until 11 and then let them go. But I mean, most of the days there's at least one trade, right? There's probably one a week at the most without a single trade setup playing out that I would take. And so, as much as it's like, okay, yeah, I'm doing the right thing, I want the results now. Yeah, everybody wants the results now. They don't want to see the work. I've put in the work. I'm doing what I can, but the stuff I can't control is the problem, which what can I do? Oh, I got English today and but it's cold, I got a bike, and then we're doing peer reviews for our like first drafts. And so I did my first draft like yesterday and today, or 2 days ago and yesterday. It's like 1,700 words. It's a lot, but I think it's good. I like it. I'm probably gonna get docked some BS points like I did for the first assignment for no reason. I don't even know. Talking about, oh, is this your community? The entire paper is about the track and field community as a general. I literally say it in like the first two sentences. And why are we questioning that? I don't care. I don't as much as I should care, right? Because okay, why am I here? Because I wanna get a degree. I want to get a job. Are we for real? No, it's I the main reason why is because track and field. If I wasn't going somewhere for track and field, um, I mean, I really started finding trading. Really started trading like seriously, like December of last year, and so or 2 Decembers ago. So I don't know if I didn't go for track and field. I don't know if I would be. No, I don't think my parents would have let me just get a job and work. But if I wasn't doing track and field, then I'd be able to schedule my classes at least 100% for this semester to not be between 9 and 11. But I love doing track and field, but then coach changed my technique Is understandable for most people, but it's like I don't love doing it now. And it's like I used to have a throw the days series where every day that I threw or practiced, I'd post like one of those throws and throw the day, no matter what. It was good, it was bad. And I got up to throw the day 299. And then I lost the love for throwing. And see, that's kind of the symbolism in it where, oh, I love doing it. I love just getting out there, love practicing. But then, first semester went by, I kind of just went through the motions. And then I kind of realized over winter break, like, man, I do not like doing this. So I stopped doing that. But I'm kind of just blabbering on uh, about stuff. I'm just I'm excited. I'm happy because yesterday I went to practice. I was feeling like crap, and then I'm like, oh, I don't even know if there's trade set. I don't know. I don't know. I was just worrying about stuff. But now today I'm like, yes, there was a good setup. I 100% would have taken it if I was sat at my desk. I wasn't. And so it's a missed trade, but it's not a missed trade because I wasn't on the charts. I wasn't able. I was at practice. I had other stuff. So I'm like, I don't know. I think that's gonna be it for me, but tomorrow I'll have to check if there's news, but I can stay on until 11. Yes. Let's go. Oh, and then I get Starbucks tomorrow. Yes. All right. I will see you guys later. Peace.